just to give you a better grasp of how huge this popmart is. So I'm not sure if it's for sale. Something to watch out would be the level of their spiciness. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. Welcome back in our channel, Mad Corner here. And for this episode, we are here in Ximending, Taiwan. It is our first time here and I had no idea there will be an unreasonable amount of people here. But it's all good, I like it. It's obvious that the tourism here is alive, which kind of resonates that there will be a lot of stuff that you can purchase in this area. If you've been watching our content for the past few months or years, it's quite obvious that I am into the art of collecting, from watches, resin statues, anime figures, and it's quite vivid that I also do some pop mart. We did that back in Singapore and even in Tokyo, Japan. If you are a fan of pop mart, obviously you guys already know that Taiwan boasts one of the best pop mart stores here in Asia. I know this is not the largest store in Asia, but if we're going to compare its floor size from the one in Harajuku, this pop mart store in Taiwan wins by a mile. Just to give you a better grasp of how huge this popmart is, here you go, boys. We also saw a lot of content creators visited this wonderful place, and we are not an exception to that. Just in case you are wondering about where to find this one, don't worry, because I'll be putting the link or the details on the description box down below, so you can add it in your itinerary just in case you want to buy something from this place. There's just a small line before you can enter, because even though the Labubu craze has died down compared to what it used to be a few months ago, well, I guess this is quite tolerable now. I would say this is a preview of what to expect inside, but again, this is just a fraction of what you can see inside. It is nice that they are doing some traffic control before you can enter so that you can maximize your experience. So they have some cool bows over here. If you are not really familiar with how popmart works, I'll give you a quick explanation. So you see this set, right? You want to buy one. Well, unfortunately, it's a game of luck. You have to buy one box, like for example this one, and then pray to the gods of popmart you will hit the one that you want to get. In short, popmart is a game of chance. They have tons of characters that I'm not even familiar with. For example, this one, Pucky. I have no idea who this is, and the price range again, 330 Taiwan dollars. The Pucky Roly Poly Kitty for 270 Taiwan dollars. I think we saw this set back in Harajuku. Yeah, and here it's listed for 370 Taiwan dollars. But this is a combination of the popular characters that they have, from Hirono, Molly, and other stuff. And then same goes here. I think we bought one of these things back in Harajuku as well. And we got this as a gift to our good friend. And just in case you guys are wondering what is our target for today, definitely it should be a Hirono. That means we are trying to look for a Hirono set here in Taiwan. It's a Hirono baseman, and they're selling it for 980 Taiwan dollars. Here you go, for you to have a view. See? Surprisingly, they still have a Hirono set here for 3,280 Taiwan dollars. This is the Hirono set that we picked back in popmart Harajuku. And you see that one? Yeah. This is what we got back then. So I'm quite hesitant to buy this set because I don't want to hit this one. All because we already have it. But the entire set looks cool. There's more over here, but I'm not just sure if these are still available or just for display. This is the Monsters line, and everybody went gaga on these things a few months ago. One of their most popular character would be this one, the Skull Panda. This is a 1:1 scale, I think. It's cute. It's quite huge, obviously. Just in case you are wondering what the Skull Panda is all about, this is how it looks like. More of them over here, and each pick would be 330 Taiwan dollars. You wanted this one, and can you buy it directly? No, you can't. You have to play the game. That's how it works. So better have the best luck of your life on that day. They also have their floor map over here. So the second floor is all about Pop Bean and IP merch. So for example, Toy Story related Pop Marts, all in this second floor. So let's explore it and see what we can find. I think we got this back in Harajuku as well as a gift. But as far as I can remember, they got Obi-Wan. This is a Deadpool series. I think we found this, or we already saw this back in Comic-Con in Tokyo. So I'm not sure, but yeah, here you go. And they're currently listed for 330 Taiwan dollars. Just like what I mentioned a while ago, some Toy Stories over here. Again, same price, 330. Ooh, this is a character that I am starting to like. This is Ziga. And we have one, but not this line. Again, we got that back in our Tokyo episode. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link on the description box down below so you can check it after this one. They also have bigger scales like these things, but I'm not sure if they are for sale because they don't have a price. And then again, a very popular character here, which is the Space Molly. This size would be around 5,680 Taiwan dollars. This Molly art line is one of my personal favorite. We got this one. It is quite more expensive compared to the regular ones here. So for this, it's 370 Taiwan dollars per pool. Surprisingly, they also have Demon Slayers and some Genshin Impacts over here. Look at this Molly. This one is cute, I'm not gonna lie. Croissant, a burger. Yeah, but I'm not sure if it has a price. I'm not sure. Oh, there you go. It's up at 330 Taiwan dollars. We saw this back in Comic-Con Tokyo a few months ago, and it's also here. This Bruce Wayne Batman is listed for 5,980 Taiwan dollars, and it's quite big. Here, let me give you a closer look of this bad boy. Steampunk bike, Lovely Molly is also here, but it doesn't have a price, so I'm not sure if it's for sale. Now we are entering the third floor, and this is for the mega sizes. And as you can see, right off the bat, on our right side will be the Space Molly's 400%. There are no prices, but look at this one, the Rick and Morty. Wow, it's really cute. And then the Joker, very standard Space Molly colorway or design. Casually sitting here would be the Mega Royal Mollies. There are no prices though. I think this is my first time seeing this design. I'm not sure. Yeah, it seems like it's a collaboration. There's a corner over here that is intended for all of the Space Mollies available. I'm not sure if these are for sale. Maybe I'll ask later. First time seeing this kind of Space Molly display over here. It's a bust, but it has this setup where it looks like he's inside the spaceship. Yeah, it's cool. And then right over here is a 400% of a Space Molly bubble tea. Casually standing over here is a Mega Labubu, and then a Demu over there. This yellow Demu standing casually, and that Royal Molly behind. Wow, look at that display. Oh my. Look at this entire collection that is currently displayed here. It feels like the entire price of these things is far greater than what I have in my bank account. The Mega Skull Pandas as well, they're just here sitting. And look at this one. This is very popular. I always see these things online. It's official, boys. These things are not for sale. I already asked the staff. They're just for display. We are in the last floor, and this one is intended for a showcase area. And we have here the Angry Molly, right, as you can see. Wow, completely different vibe compared to what we saw in the first 3 floors. Look at this Angry Molly over here. Quite different from what we normally see. Nobody's in here. Look at this blue one, which completely makes sense if your background is pink or hot pink. Then this is the display. A red Angry Molly right over there. Then a pink one. There you go. What's this one? Fall in Fire, Angry Molly. Now that we have officially checked all floors here inside the popmart Taiwan, we are about to start the buying stage. Our first target, of course, Hirono Little Prince. Our target in this line would be Hirono the Fox. Well, nothing that I need to avoid, to be honest with you. I like all of them, and I haven't bought anything from this line yet. Since this is a game of chance and luck, hopefully this will give us a good pull. This car looks like a good display, but obviously not for sale. This molly really captured our attention, so I'm going to get one. I'm hoping to pick this or the burger, whichever. And nothing to avoid, to be honest. The entire line looks cute, so I'm okay with it. One won't hurt, right? We are already about to pay, and then we saw this baby molly in penguin suit and a penguin sitting beside her. And yeah, it looks cute, but we're not going to buy it. And they are selling it for 770 Taiwan dollars. We are about to pay this Hirono and molly, and then we are heading over to our Airbnb to unpack these things, and hopefully luck is on our side. Let's see. Perfect. Thank you. Okay. Moment of truth, boys and girls. We are finally back in our Airbnb/base here in Taipei, Taiwan. And I am hoping for the best that luck will still be on our side in opening these things. Again, we bought 2 popmart items and the damage is 660 Taiwan dollars. Let's not waste any more of your precious time and see what is in store for us. Wow, this is quite thick. Molly. Oh man. Something that I did not expect to hit would be the crocodile bread of Molly, but still, it's quite cute because you can see right there, Molly is actually biting the crocodile bread. Will this one actually stand on its own? Yeah, it's standing on its own. It is not the best pool, but still, not bad. We're just going to put it here so you guys can still see it. And now we are off to our last box here. This is the Hirono Little Prince. I am hoping to get Hirono, the fox, over here. And the second design that I would love to have is the rose, right over here. So let's not waste any of our time here. And let's put our luck on the test already. Man, come on. It was quite hard to open. Standard packaging. And what do we have? Boom. I think this is the geographer. Let me see. Yeah, this is the Hirono geographer. Unfortunately, we didn't hit the fox or the rose, so luck is not on our side, but still, it's okay. We have the geographer over here, which kind of looks dope. It also has some bonus stuff over here. I think this serves as its base, I think. It's supposed to be its base. And it has an accessory, which is a magnifying glass that can be placed on its hand. So he's supposed to hold it like this. There you go. The geographer is supposed to look like this. Hirono geographer. It's my first time to have one from the Hirono Little Prince line. Definitely, we're going to add this too in our display back in the Philippines. I hope you enjoyed watching this episode, boys and girls. And I kind of remembered that 90% of our viewers are not yet subscribed in our channel. Please, I beg you, hit that subscribe button because that will really mean a lot to me and that will even help me in growing this channel. If you have any comments, suggestions, or constructive criticism out there, please let me know. Feel free to use the comment section down below and I will try my best to absorb things and even answer some of your questions. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite unfortunate for us to experience rain during our Taiwan travel, but hopefully we still have few days left. We are always hoping for the best, that we can still go outside and shoot more content for you guys. It is already dinner time and right now we are somewhere in Ximending. And of course, for a cold weather, Hotpot is a good option for tonight. Basically, that is our Mala Hotpot experience for 798 Taiwan dollars. You are going to enjoy that unlimited USDA premium beef. For your beverage, you can pick your poison from water to beer. They even have some sodas there. And from that price point, you will also enjoy that Häagen-Dazs unlimited ice cream. And it totally doesn't make sense, but it's there. Something to watch out would be the level of their spiciness. I'm telling you, it stings in a good way if you are a fan of spicy food. Do I recommend it from a budget traveler's perspective? I would say yes. Give it a try at least once in your entire Taipei trip. I understand that 798 might be quite high compared to a regular meal here, because with all of the food and drinks available there, plus the ice cream, definitely worth it. And don't you worry about the quality, because it's an absolute yes for me. So if you guys are interested about this Mala Hotpot, I'll put all of their details on the description box down below so you can check it and add it in your itinerary later.
Let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return